All right, we're here to discuss the electronics for the rescue boat. This control panel you're looking at now controls everything on the center console, your radios, your GPS, etc. So we're going to go through it really quick. This top one that indicates accessory on is towards the plus. You see the plus here. This accessory is for your light bar. Then you've got your spreader light. Your spreader light are for your spotlights on both left and right, or port and starboard side of the boat. They're two small LED white lights. Your search light plus is on. It's going to be the big white light on the front of the tower that illuminates the front of the boat. GPS here turns on the GPS unit. VHF turns on all of your radios that operate on the boat. We've got our 800 VHF and UHF radios, and the 12 volt DC operates the cigarette lighters. There's two of them on the center console. All right, we're going to discuss all the electronics on the center console for rescue boat. Go ahead and open up the doors here. You can see they're held on with little magnets that connect to these metal ports here. Go ahead and open it up. These are just plexiglass. So we got three radios in here. Our top one is actually radio number 2. It's VHF radio. This is the one we'll contact the Coast Guard, and it's always kept on 16. It's the standard radio loads that we have on all our rigs, and it's the same programming. Very simple, up and down toggle, gets you to whatever channel you want, but this is all VHF. Radio 1, our primary radio here for Hayward, is our UHF radio. Same design, same loads, it's in the rigs. And our third radio is our XAL, our 800 radio, and same standard loads. All the microphones are held in place with Velcro, so they're easily accessible. Along with the comms here, we have our David Clark system, same one that's in the rigs. We use the toggle on the front here to toggle which radio we want. Primarily going to be on radio number 2, which is the Coast Guard, and we have a push to talk button up top here, which we can use when this is closed to access the David Clark system. And we have a port on the right side here, which we'll show you in a bit, for the headset to operate. All right, and the headset, it's constantly kept open, so there is no button to press. So anytime you press the David Clark button to activate it, it automatically transmits. Okay, moving along, the David Clark system, not a whole lot to explain. It's the exact same one you have in your rigs. This unit here, the Standard Horizon, this is our hailing system for PA, siren, and horn. The way it works, it's an on and off switch. Turning it on.
90 minutes responding code 3 Bravo, and they're going to be in parking lot E Edward between East Loop and Harder.
So we turn it on. This is the volume for the actual speaker in the unit. This knob here is the actual volume for the speaker on the top of the boat for the PA and the siren and horn. If you want to activate the PA, you hit PA. You grab the mic to press the button. Test, test, test. That operates the PA. If you want to operate the siren, you go to the siren selecting switch, hit siren, same button. That activates the siren, and same for horn. Want to go back to PA, hit PA, test, test. Turning it off, it's now off. Putting it back in and attaching it back to the Velcro. Moving to the third shelf, this is our AIS unit. This unit never needs to be touched. It's set to come on automatically when you power up the electronics. This automatic identification system lets the Coast Guard know who we are and where we are on the water. And that coordinates with our GPS and our Raymarine display system up here.